organ and organ system in animals. Introduction. From microbes to blue whale, the organisms have different size and shape. They are organized by organ and organ system. The basis of tissues organized to form organs. Many organs are joined together. They form organ system. It is occurs in multicellular organisms. The coordination activities of organ system is very essential for living organisms. It controls activities of organisms. The coordinate activities of millions of cells control the activities of living organisms. It helps to study of morphology and anatomy of living organisms. You see that many organisms, lower level to higher level, they also have different evolutionary functions. They have different type of morphological characters and adaptations. It occurs lower level organism to higher level of organisms. The morphology is referred to outer character, external character of organisms. It is a visible character. Anatomy means it contains internal structure of organisms. It also describes structure and functions of internal organs. First we will see about earthworm. The scientific name of earthworm is Lambetomorti. The earthworm is terrestrial invertebrate. They also live in upper layer of moist soil. They also live in rich in decaying organic matter. It is nocturnal animal. They active only night time because they are photophobic in nature. Photophobic ஒளியை வெறுக்கக்கூடிய தன்மையுடையது. ஸோ நைட் டைம் மட்டும்தான் சாயலுக்கு மேலே வரும். டே டைமில் சாயலுக்கு அடியில் போய் மறைஞ்சிருக்கும். During daytime, they live in burrows. During daytime, they are traced by their fecal matter and fecal deposit. It is called as worm casting. It occurs surface of soil. ஸோ எர்த்தோமோட ஃபீக்கல் மேட்டர் வேஸ்ட்டை வச்சு தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், நாம் அதை ட்ரேஸ் பண்ண முடியும். எப்போது? டே டைமில். The earthworm is called as friend of farmers because they increase the soil fertility. The common Indian earthworms are Lambetomorti. They are also called as Megascolax morti and Paryonx esquatus and Metaphyre posthuma. It is called as a Perithema posthuma. Classification of earthworm based on ecological strategies. They are classified into 3 types. It is epigyx, anagyx and endogyx. Epigyx. In a Greek word, epigyx means up on the earth. They live in surface soil. It is called as surface dwellers. அப்படின்னா மண்ணோட மேற்புறத்தில் வாழக்கூடிய மண்புழுக்கள். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் Paryonx esquatus and Eutrylus eugeniae. Next one is a anacyx. In a Greek word, anacyx means out of earth. They are found on upper layer of soil. எங்கே இருக்கும்? சாயிலோட அப்பர் லேயர் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் Lambetomorti and Lumpricus terrestrius. Third one is a endogyx. In a Greek word, endogyx means within the earth. They are found in deeper layer of soil. சாயிலில் டீப்பர் லேயரில் இருக்கும், அடிமட்டத்தில் இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் called as endogyx. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் Octochetena trustoni.